Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form using Google Form and connect it to a Google Sheet. So you're going to go here, open your Drive, and then you go New, I have it in French here, New plus Google Form. Sometimes you might have it here. So this is like a form. All right, so you put your questions here. Let's say how long, if it's a survey destined to a population of employees, for example, you would say, how long have you worked for this company? And then option one, or actually, this is more like for a quick introduction about the form. So this is where you put the question, and then this is option one, let's say less than 5 years. Option two, you just click and it will automatically create an option for you. So more between 5 and 10. And then last one, more than 10 years, for example. That's just. And then you can set here what kind of question you want. Sometimes you ask questions like where you're requiring a paragraph, you're requiring like just a short answer. And sometimes it's like a multiple choice question. Like in this case, it's either first, second, or third choice, right? So I will leave it for a choice multiple questions, right? I'm going to add another question. You can copy this section or you can just add another question to this. So duplicate. So question two, for example, please describe briefly or your skills, for example, right? And then you want the answer to be like a short paragraph. So you're going to leave it paragraph. And if you want a short answer, you just click on short answer here, right? And then you click on paragraph. Now, speaking about the answers, you go here, and then you can go as long as possible. You can create a long form. So you go here, response, and then usually it shows the response automatically when you get answers to your survey. So if you want to create a spreadsheet that will store the information that you're getting from the employees, then you click on this here, and then it will say, okay, so you want to create a new spreadsheet? Yes, right? Create, and it will create it for you, right? So I'm going to open it, and the spreadsheet, you can save it in your computer, right? So this is your spreadsheet that has the questions. First, it will tell you the timestamp here. So if a certain answer is recorded like at 1 a.m., it will say today's dates plus 1 a.m. And then you have two responses here, two questions, and then the response filled, right? So if I go to the form, I don't know if it's going to take it, but we can test with another email. And if I say yes, less than 5 years, it doesn't take it because I'm the one creating it, right? But if I connect with another email, if I send this form to users, for example, right? So I go back here and I say, hey, share this form. I can share this form using, or see, this is send, and I can send it to as many emails as possible. All right, let's try that. So I'm going to send it to my other email, right? Include the form in the email. Absolutely, that's what I want. And then send. It will send the form. So you have the spreadsheet in your computer, right? So let me go to my other email and fill up the form. So this is the form. Right, I'm opening the email here, and it says in French, form without title. So I'm going to say, yes, let's fill it up. So this is fill up the form. Click on it. So this is what the receiver is going to do when you send the form. They will be like, yeah, I worked for this company less than 5 years. Describe your skills. I'm good at, let's say, sales, tech sales, you know, business intelligence, whatever. Send. So I send, and then it says, okay, it's been saved successfully. So you, from the other side, you go to your spreadsheet and you'll be like, oh, here, this guy at, the 27th of February at 22:16, which is 10:16 p.m., he responded, and you have the answers here recorded. So you can send this form to as many people as you can, and you will get the answers. And based on the answers, you can build a dashboard. You can understand, you know, your data. All right. If you have any questions, please get back to me. Have a great night.